Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So it is time for another Fab Fit Fun unboxing. This is my summer 2025 box, and if you watched my spoiler video, you know I thought it was okay. Like, the spoilers were okay, and I did have some ideas of what I was going to pick. Some things did change because there were quite a few throwbacks, which I'll get into, but let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so as a reminder, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription. You can do an annual subscription or a seasonal subscription. If you do annual, it comes out to about $220 a year. And then if you do a quarterly, then I think it is $15 extra a quarter, and then you get to pick two weeks later. So I love it. This is the only subscription box I ever do anymore, and you have the option to skip. So I do pay for it. I'm not a partner. I pay for this. I've been a member for a while, and some boxes have been good, some have been not so good, and then some have been somewhere in the middle. I will say, spoiler alert, this one's somewhere in the middle, but I'm happy with what I got. But I do a spoiler video. As soon as all the spoilers are out, I do a spoiler video every quarter, and you can see that up here. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to go over every item and list them. I'm just going to talk about the item that I picked. However, I am going to, before I announce what I picked, I am going to talk about if there were any throwbacks, because I did go back. There were some throwbacks when I went in and did my original selection, but then there also were some throwbacks that were done, like I went over the course of the weekend, and I noticed that there were some throwbacks as well. So they will sometimes add in items as things start to sell out. So I did go back, and I actually did pick at least one throwback. I did change my selection and pick up one of the throwbacks. So I do have several starter boxes. They're free. I have 5 to give every quarter. I think I have 4 left. So if you are interested, you have to have never been a member of FabFitFun before. All you need to do is email me. You can message me on Instagram, or you can email me through my website, shannonford.com. Just message me through there. There's like a contact us form. I just need your full name and your email, and then I submit it through FabFitFun. Like, I just send your information to them. And you do have to pay for shipping, and it'll automatically sign you up for a seasonal subscription when you do that. But what you can do is, once that box ships, then you can cancel it if you want, if you're unsure if you're going to get it. But I've had a lot of people take them. They're free. I get nothing out of it. I don't get a referral fee. I get nothing. So I don't want them to go to waste. So if somebody's interested in them, I'm happy to give them away. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so customization number 1 is usually the best one, or the one with the most highest value. The add-ons were $17, and there were no throwbacks, at least from what I saw. There were no items added in this customization, so nothing to discuss there. And I didn't get any add-ons. Actually only got one add-on in the entire box. But so what I picked was actually what I thought I was going to pick, and it is the Bushbalm, the Francesca Bikini and Body Hair Trimmer. This was a value of $65, and I like it. It's cute. I have not used it. I just took it out of the box right now. The only thing I don't like is that the charger, it comes with a charger, but the charger is something that's like unique to this. It's a me problem, but I tend to lose chargers, and I like them when they're like a USB-C. So like if I lose that charger, I still have it. I can buy it. This one's not, so that's just, I got to make sure I don't lose it. But it's a good size, and it is adjustable comb, cordless, rechargeable, waterproof, ergonomic, comfort, powerful, and controlled. And you can see here, it is pretty powerful. So I haven't used it yet, but I am excited. I think it's a good size for the bikini area, and it comes with a little case here with the charger and some other stuff. So happy I got it. $65, you can do it right here. I like it. So not something I probably would have picked up otherwise. There really wasn't anything in customization number 1, but that's definitely something I can use and I can easily travel with, which I think is great, because that's something, especially with going on cruises, this is something I can use. So probably something I didn't need, but maybe I needed but didn't know I needed it. I don't know, but I'm happy I got it regardless. Okay, next up was customization number 2, and the additional add-ons were $15. And there were no throwbacks as well, so there were no throwbacks in this one. But I picked exactly what I thought, which was going to be the African Botanics, the Stretch Mark Botanical Body Oil. This is supposedly worth $100. I wouldn't pay $100 for this, let's just say that. But I don't really have stretch marks, so I don't have stretch marks, but I do love a good body oil. And so they had a First Aid Beauty body oil as well, which was double the size. But I felt like, well, if I'm gonna get one, let me get one that's worth more, right? So whatever, that doesn't make sense. But I will say the scent is, it's very earthy, I guess you could say. It's kind of herby, but it doesn't smell bad, but it's not like perfumey either. It's definitely very natural. It does absorb really well into the skin. What I plan to do is use it kind of in the areas where I have cellulite. And I do have like a fascia blaster that I use. Well, I will use that here to kind of when I'm using that tool. So happy I got it. You know, would I repurchase this? Probably not, especially not at $100. But would I purchase this for $15? Yeah, absolutely. So I kind of wish I had gotten a second one at the $15 mark, because this, I don't know how long this is gonna last me, but I mean, a little goes a long way, and it does absorb really well. And again, it's a very earthy scent. So, you know, again, probably didn't need it, but I'm glad I got it. Okay, and next up is customization number 3. The add-ons were $14, and there was one additional throwback, and it is the Bumble and Bumble Curl Anti-Humidity Frizz Gel Oil, $36. I don't need any hair products, so I did not get it, though I did get a hair product in one of their customizations. But anyway, I didn't need that, but it's a really good one, but I did pass on that. So what I got was the Skincare Tools Depuffing Mask. This is what I thought I was going to get. It is like the cryo and the thermo mask. I'm not gonna put it on my face right now because I do have makeup on, and it is really nice. I actually kind of really like it. I haven't used it yet, but it's got like this felt on the back. It's white. I almost wish it was black because, you know, just make sure you clean your face before, which you should be doing anyway. But you can use it for cryo. You can use it chilled. It does say if you put it in the freezer to defrost for 10 minutes before putting it on your face. And then if you want to use it for thermo, you just put it on medium heat in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. You know, for cryo, the benefits are it depuffs, reduces redness, and refreshes your skin. And then thermo, it will open your pores, stimulate circulation, and is deeply soothing. So one of the reasons why I got this is every once in a while when I do get Botox, or which I haven't done in a while, but sometimes I do treatments under my eyes. I do the PRP under the eyes, and my face, I swell really fast. And then you get like the things and you're kind of standing there like this. So that's pretty much why I got this for. So when I do those types of treatments, I don't have to kind of sit there like this. I can just bring this along, put it in the refrigerator, and have it and do it. Also, kind of I could see myself doing this in the morning. I have one of those jade rollers that I have in the freezer. I could see this just doing this in the morning as well. So I like it. I'm happy. This is like worth value at $60. I don't think I would pay $60, but I probably would have paid $30 for it. So, but I think it's a really cool product, and it's something that I will definitely be using. Okay, next up was customization number 4, and I just said I didn't need any hair products, but this is where I got it. But before I do that, there were 2 additional add-ons: Sensual's Natural and Organic Skincare Brightening Body Scrub, which is $24. I had gotten that before in a previous box, and I hated it. It was like water. You know, usually scrubs are kind of thick, and I went through that thing probably within a week and a half. It did not last long. I would never get it again, so I would not recommend it. And then there was the Luxe Choice which was $20. It was the Monique Lhuillier perfume, a 30 milliliter, and it was worth $85. So you did have to pay an extra $20. By the time I saw it, it was already sold out. So I might have picked that, though I probably didn't need it, but I could have used it as a gift. But it was already sold out by the time I saw it. So what I did pick was the DP Hue Glossy Glaze Sheer Transparent. This is a 2-minute conditioning glaze. I love these types of products. I use these all the time. What you do is you use this, you will use like a regular shampoo, and instead of a conditioner, you use this. I really like, I really like DP Hue. I'm addicted to their apple cider vinegar rinse. It's amazing. I use it in between shampoos, but I'm excited to try this. So it says, after shampooing, removes excess water and use applicator to apply. Let it saturate for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse through thoroughly. So you use this instead of a conditioner. So, and usually I really like how these leave my hair. Conditioners can sometimes weigh my hair down. This will let my hair give it really kind of that smooth feeling with just feeling just more light and it has more volume. So I haven't tried this one, but I am excited to try it. So you know, I said I didn't need any more hair products, correct? But this was worth, let's see, this is worth $29. So for $10, yeah, I think it was worth it. Okay, next up is customization number 5. There were no additional throwbacks. Add-ons were $10, and this is the one I did get an add-on. So the first item I got was the Konjac Exfoliating Body Scrub. This was the box, and this is the sponge. So you can see here, it is really hard, right? But once you get it in the, when you get it in the shower, it will just kind of, it softens, and these are amazing. I used to use these a lot. They're amazing. I regretted not picking up another one because they're great. $10 I think is what I would pay for it, and they're amazing. So I wish I had gotten a second one because they last for a good while, but they don't last forever. They do kind of, you know, you do have to replace them. This is supposedly worth $22. I wouldn't pay $22 for it, but I'd probably pay, you know, 10 or 12. But yes, very excited about this. The other thing I got as the add-on was the Geometry Fitness Towel, and this was worth $20. So again, I got it for 10, and I really like this. Again, this is one I also wish I had gotten a second one. I just started F45 again, and I have to bring a towel with me, and it's really nice. Like it's nice and thin, so I like that it's nice and thin, kind of folded up, but great, just, you know, great fitness towel. So $10, really great. Love that I can just kind of fold it up. I'll also know that it's mine because it's kind of unique. So again, this is another one I wish I had gotten a second one, because that way, because I do, you know, that way I don't have to wash them as often. But very happy I got this. So this was the one, you know, customization number 5 was probably my favorite customization because there was 2 things that I ended up picking up. And the last customization number 6, the add-ons were $13, and there were 3 throwbacks added. So the first was actually there were 4 throwbacks added. So the first was the Parallel Cycle Support Pack, $40. Then the Dr. Brandt Skincare Lash and Brow Serum, $58. Color Wow Pop and Lock High Gloss Finish, $24, and the Luxe Choice of extra $20, the Augustinus Bader, the Face Mist, $97. So I actually picked up one of the throwbacks, and it's something that I picked up before, and it is the Cycle Pack. It is the Parallel Cycle Pack. I picked up 2 of these in the last box, I think, and I really like them. So I'm going through perimenopause and all of the fun that comes with, and this has really helped. I'm still really regular, but my periods are much more painful, and the last cycle was more manageable. So I am on my second pack right now. I picked up 2 packs, so I did actually pick up a second one of these. And with this, so you have basically, you start day 1, and for day 1 through 7, you have 2 pills to take, and then days 8 through 28, you have 1 pill to take, and definitely more manageable. So I decided, you know what, there really wasn't anything else I wanted, so I picked up this. I picked up another one to really give me a good 4 months of seeing how it works. And this is worth, I think $40. I will pay $40 a month. If this works in 4 months, I realize that this has really helped, I will pay it. So we'll see how it continues. I said I did see a slight improvement. It was only a month, but I was happy to see that this was added because there really wasn't anything else in customization number 6. Okay, so there you have it. That is my Fab Fit Fun Summer 2025 box. I'm happy with it. I am happy with it. You know, I got these 2 more of these support things, the oil, the cryo mask, the fitness. You know, I think I definitely got my $60 worth. I definitely got my $60 worth. You know, and these are items that I will use. Again, I've definitely tried, I no longer try to get the most expensive item. I try and get the most practical item, the things I'm going to use, because if it's expensive and you don't use it, it's not worth much. So these are all things I'm going to use, and I'm excited for this one. So I would say it was a solid box. Was it exciting? Not really. But it was definitely worth getting for me. So I'm very happy. So let me know what you picked in your box and in the comments below. And if you're interested in that starter box, just make sure you contact me through my website or through Instagram, and I'd be happy to submit that for you. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.